maths activity, we're going to be using the spider's web as an inspiration to explore the properties of shape, symmetry and angles. The activity provides opportunities to explore mathematical vocabulary, but use it in everyday terms. Maths is all around us, so let's discover the hidden maths as part of our outdoor world, and let's make it fun. In the garden, or as part of your daily exercise walk, or in your school setting, look for evidence of spiders. Look for the webs. Explore the language of maths using the word symmetry. Look for opportunities to explore angles and shape as part of this activity. Don't damage the webs in any way, but take photographs. You'll be able to use this back in the classroom or when you get back home. As you're walking or as you're exploring, collect some twigs and sticks, no longer from your elbow to the palm of your hand. Once back at base, use the sticks that you found to explore angles. For example, placing them on the ground, you can explore a right angle, an acute angle, obtuse angles. You can use the sticks to create shapes. For example, you could use 3 sticks to make a triangle. You could use 4 sticks to represent a square or a parallelogram or rhombus. Once the knowledge of how many sides represent the shape is secure, then you could add more challenge. For example, you could use 4 sticks to create a triangle. This might take a bit of practice, but take the time to experiment with what you've got. It all adds to the element of problem solving. So here we've got a right angle triangle that's made with 4 sticks. You can do the same with other shapes, of course. Use 4 sticks to make a square or a rectangle, or use 5 sticks or 6 sticks. How big can you make your square or rectangle? Now use the sticks that you've collected to create a more permanent shape. You can do this by wrapping the corners with string or with wire or even gardener's twine, for example. Make a triangle. Wind wool or coloured wool around it to create different angles and shapes. Explore the angles and the shape names and the properties of the shapes and the properties of the angles inside, for example, a dream catcher. Add feathers. To extend this, you can actually go online or look at the story of dream catchers. What's the history of dream catchers and what's their significance? Before assembling your dream catcher, to make it more decorative, you could use a potato peeler to strip away some of the bark. Or you could use permanent markers to decorate the sticks before you assemble them. Follow-up activities could include looking at the history and the story and the folk tales linked to dream catchers. You could do some non-fiction work, some investigation into the properties of spiders' webs. How do spiders create those webs? Why do they create those spiders' webs? You could create your own massive spider's web outside with bungees, for example, or with some string. You could create your own spider out of found materials and pipe cleaners. Place this into the centre of your web. Take photographs of what you've made and use the photographs to create your own Dreamcatcher legend. I hope you've enjoyed this and you're going to take these ideas further, I'm sure.